Hi, and welcome to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. Today I've been working on some stationery kits that I wanted to show you, and then I was going to do a quick little tutorial on how to do the envelopes. So set this kit, this one over here. This is my floral kit. You have an envelope. You can just cut out around the edges. You can write your name and the sender's address, so these can be used in the mail. It has a light half page to go with it. It will have a full page also. I have not got to them yet. I thought I had printed them out and I don't see them. So this one, same thing. You've got this beautiful print, and here it's faded out in the background so you can write. All of these have the lighter little area so you can write all your information down for mailing. You can see it lighter in the background. These are two that I had actually printed off, so this one goes with this, but they were wider lines, so I didn't do much with those. Then you have this one, and it has its other sheet. So there are 5 to this one. Let's see. And I will be adding the full sheet, and I'll show you just a minute. The full sheet. So these are all 5. This will be one bundle digital kit. The other one is more like a concrete background, has the mailing labels for you. These have flowers on them. So you have the double page. You just cut it in half and you'll be able to have 2 pages. I did print these at regular instead of borderless, so you do have a white border around it. Here is the full-size sheet that I'm going to make for the other kit and put with them. I love this orange with some of this brown right there. I'm going to set that one over here so we can make it. There's another one with some orange in it. So in all, for each set of digitals, you will get 15 different printables, 5 envelopes, 5 half sheets, which is this one, and then 5 the full sheets. And you can just print them however you want to as you need them. And they're great. I printed these on 32-pound paper. I would print them on 28. I don't think I would print them on regular copyweight paper because regular copyweight paper is not going to go through the mail very well. So we have, let's see if I can pull these back out. So this one has 5 different patterns with 3 pages each. So it's got the envelope, the half page, and the full page. So I'm going to show you how to do the envelopes. They're really easy, but just in case, all you need is a pair of scissors. You can see right here there's a very faint line going across and one going up and one there and down. So we'll use those in a minute. But first I'm going to just cut on the line And if you print these fit to page, they should print bigger. So you'll have a little bit bigger one. We'll measure this when I get done with it. I just hit print. This would be like a great gift for somebody that likes to write and send mail. You could make them a whole set, make up the envelopes and print out the pages and put them together and give it as a gift set. And I'm going to offer personalization with this, I believe, where I can put the person's address up here. See, I've done mine where I have my address. What I'm going to use is my scoreboard. You don't have to have a scoreboard. You can just fold on these lines. I don't know if you can see right here. There's a faint line. Here's one and one there. What I'm doing, Miss E over at Scrapbooking with me, she had this black line on her scoreboard. Couldn't figure out what it was for the longest. And she said, if you line up here and line up down here, that the black line that you should be able to get a halfway straight crease instead of like over here you're trying to line up and you just don't know what side. So I missed one. Let me show you how I know I missed one. When you turn this over, you can see this score line here and here, one there. So I need one more right there. I was talking and wasn't paying attention. There we go. And you just fold your envelope up just like this on those crease lines that we made. Okay, so all you need is a little glue, and I would recommend that you put it more over here so you're not going past that little bit of a area. But this I have been sending mail through the post office with these printed on 28 and 32 pound papers, so they are really nice to send out. And I just love decorating my envelopes. So I hope you really enjoyed this. Just think you could cut this out and have a little set to go with each one. Perfect Christmas presents or birthday presents for somebody that loves to write. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you go over and check out these new digitals I've got listed. And I will see you the next time.